July 31, 1940, the great revolutionary Sardar Udham Singh was hanged. Udham Singh shot and killed British officer Michael O'Dwyer in London to avenge the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. On March 30, 1940, a meeting of the East India Association and the Royal Centre Asian Society was held at Caxton Hall in London, where O'Dwyer was present. After O'Dwyer finished his speech and was returning to his seat, Udham Singh, who was also in attendance, took out a revolver hidden in a book and fired at O'Dwyer, killing him on the spot. Udham Singh was immediately apprehended, tied, and subsequently hanged on July 31, 1940. O'Dwyer was the British officer responsible for the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, which occurred on April 13, 1990, when troops opened fire on thousands of unarmed protesters gathered against the Rowlatt Act during the Baisakhi festival, resulting in the deaths of over 1,000 people, including women, men, and children. Udham Singh witnessed the massacre and vowed to take revenge. He stayed in London for 6 years to fulfill his mission. In 2021, Bollywood actor Vicky Kaushal's film Sardar Udham paid tribute to the revolutionary Sardar Udham Singh. Munshi Premchand was born on July 31, 1880 in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. His real name was Dhanpat Rai Srivastav, regarded as one of the greatest storytellers in Hindi and Urdu literature. Premchand is celebrated for his profound and socially relevant works. His major novels include Godan, Gaban, Rangbhumi, Nirmala, and Karmabhumi. He also wrote numerous stories with notable examples such as Panch Parmeshwar, Eidgah, Namak Ka Daroga, and Bade Ghar Ki Beti. Premchand's work was distinguished by their critique of social realities, issues faced by poor, and the injustice prevalent in society. His writing vividly portrays rural life and struggles of ordinary people. Through his literary contributions, Premchand championed social reform and the promotion of moral values. He passed away on October 8, 1936, but his legacy endures through his impactful and timeless literature. Damodar Dharmanand Kosambi was born on July 31, 1907 in Goa. He was a renowned mathematician and Marxist historian, known for his significant contribution to ancient Indian history. Kosambi authored several influential books, including An Introduction to the Study of Indian History, Myth and Reality, Studies in the Formation of Indian Culture, which offers a detailed analysis of Indian society, culture, and politics. He served as a professor at Harvard University, specializing in mathematics, history, and linguistics. After completing his education, he taught at Kashi Hindu University and Aligarh Muslim University. In 1944, Kosambi published a vital 4-page article titled Estimation of Map Distance from Recombination Values, introducing what is now known as the Kosambi map function. In 1946, he joined the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, where he worked for 16 years. Kosambi passed away on June 29, 1966. Mohammad Rafi, a celebrated playback singer in Hindi cinema, passed away on July 31, 1980. Born on December 24, 1924 in Kotla, Sultan Singh village, Punjab, Rafi distinguished himself among his contemporaries with melodious quality of his voice. He began his career in the 1940s and quickly became a leading figure in Indian cinema. Rafi sang thousands of songs in various languages, including Hindi, Punjabi, Bengali, Marathi, Gujarati, Telugu, and Urdu. His work gained widespread acclaim in both film and non-film music. Throughout his career, he received numerous awards, including the National Film Award, 6 Filmfare Awards, and the Padma Shri from the Government of India in 1967. Though he passed away from a heart attack on July 31, 1980, his voice and music continue to resonate with audiences till today.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। PhD, MPhil किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। Education glorifies nation.
On July 31, 1995, the first mobile phone call in India was made from Routers building in Kolkata. The call was initiated by Jyoti Basu, the then Chief Minister of West Bengal, who dialed Pandit Sukhram, the then Telecom Minister, who was in Sanchar Bhavan, Delhi. The call was made using a Nokia mobile phone. This historic call was conducted over the network of Modi Telstra, a company formed in 1933 through a partnership between Modi Corp and the Australian company Telstra. Modi Telstra was India's first mobile network operator. This event marks the beginning of India's telecom revolution, and today, India stands as the second largest telecom market in the world. On July 31, 1658, Aurangzeb ascended to the throne to the Mughal Empire, becoming the Sultan. He ruled for 49 years. Aurangzeb is often regarded as one of the most tyrannical rulers of the Mughal dynasty. His rule was marked by the extensive destruction of Hindu temples, with over 1,000 temples demolished across India. Temples such as Kashi Vishwanath, Keshavdev, Biseswar, Vijay, and Somnath were destroyed and replaced with the mosque. Additionally, Aurangzeb ordered the execution of the 9th Sikh Guru, Tegh Bahadur Ji, who was executed after refusing to convert to Islam. Aurangzeb also had Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji's 3 companions, Matidas, Satidas, and Dayala, executed in front of him. The site of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji's martyrdom in Chandni Chowk, Delhi, later became the Shishganj Gurdwara. Safai Karamchari Divas is observed nationwide on July 31 to recognize and honor the contribution of Safai Karamcharis, who plays a crucial role in maintaining cleanliness and hygiene in our street, offices, and public spaces. Celebrated annually in India since 1964, this day is marked by the various programs and events that acknowledge the hard work and dedication of these essential workers. The purpose of Safai Karamchari Divas is to appreciate their significant contribution and raise societal awareness about their important role.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiast and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.